Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to verify LinkedIn account. First, you'll have to open LinkedIn account on your browser like this. Then after that, you'll have to go to your profile on the top right here. You just have to click on it, then click on view profile. Now, once you go to your profile, and you will find a button right here saying verify now. But here in my case, I do not have it because I'm using a free version of LinkedIn. So you have to enhance your profile and try the premium one in order to be able to verify your LinkedIn. So after that, after you click on verify, it will ask you to scan a QR code in order to verify through your phone. So here, as you can see, after you verify, you will find something just right here beside your own profile. It will be like a sign for verification. I'm just trying to find someone who has the verification sign. Yes, this is the one. It will be seen just like this, but you need to have a well-established account and you need to be subscribed to one of their premium plans. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.